Alright. Whoops. Hey guys, welcome to Truck Simulator USA. One of my favorite games, dude. Okay, for some of you guys who are truck drivers or emergency workers or whatever, I really appreciate you guys. You guys do a fantastic job of helping us safely through these difficult times. So we do. So we really do appreciate you guys and all the hard work that you guys put into whether keeping our store shelves stocked or keeping trying to save our lives and other people's lives. We all appreciate you guys. We really appreciate you guys for all the sacrifices that you guys are putting on yourself to keeping us in mind. You keep us civilians fed and healthy and whatnot. So we really do appreciate you guys. I really want to express that I really appreciate you guys for all you guys do. And this one we are heading into Vancouver, so that's the reason why you're seeing snow on the ground right now with this one right now. So we're heading into Canada. For some of you truck drivers that do head into Canada, you know what it's like. But for those Canadian truck drivers out there, if you ever come to this state, please try to slow it down, because if you don't, you are going to get caught. You are going to get caught. I'm just saying it right now, so. Because I don't want to see you guys get in trouble trying to do your job. So, of course, I know that you're here, that you guys got a busy schedule, and you're trying to keep things going. But try to keep it slowed down as much as possible when you go past that border, because they will nail you every time. I'm just giving you guys a warning, so. Because I've seen it happen, so. I've seen that happen before. Oh, wait a minute, I think we're supposed to be on that side. Never mind. Oh, no, we were. Okay. Never mind, I guess I was wrong. Oh, no, I was right. What am I doing here? Jeez, Louise. Yeah, there's our drop-off point right here. Whoop. Uh-oh. There we go. I was trying to figure out why I wasn't getting it. Okay. Alright, there we go. There's our pay right there. Alright, that should do it for the day. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and end the clip there, the video there, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow right here for another truck simulator. Peace out.